guys, Zeb welcomes you to the world of creativity once again. As you will observe that this bag has been designed by using few worn out scarves. Just fold it as done, draw 1 inch margin on it and cut it off. You will get around 25 to 30 ribbons of about 1 inch wide and 2 meters long. Let's take a thick fabric measuring 13 inches wide and 26 inches long. Iron and fix a self-adhesive canvas. Mark ½ inch at first, followed by 1 inch marking, ending with ½ inch marking at the end. Attach single ribbon on the first marking, followed by attaching double ribbons on second markings onwards. And finally attaching a single ribbon again on the last marking. Stitch the pinned area. Stitch 2 into 26 inch piece to conceal the join of the ribbon. Fold and stitch at ½ inch edge on the side. Do the same at the base. Do the box stitching at the corners at 2½ inches. Before preparing the belt of the bag, let's cut open few stitches to make a space for inserting the belt. Take 3 into 50 inch fabric, iron self-adhesive canvas to make it firm. Stitch at ½ inch on the side. Open wide the stitches and iron it. Mark and stitch the tip of the belt. Now turn it inside out and iron it. I am designing the edge of the belt by curved stitches. This is optional. Mark at 2 inch. Punch a hole at the marking. Insert the punch pins and press it. Let's make the belt lock. Use 1 into 2½ inch piece. Fold 1/4 inch on both the sides and iron it to form the crease. Fold and iron again. Open the folds and mark at 1/4 inch to stitch the edge. Now fold the ring again on the same crease form. Finally, stitch the edge of the ring as done. Insert the lock and the buckle and seal the ending by getting it stitched. Mark and punch hole on the other side of the belt. Mark at about 12 to 13 inches from the buckle and cut it off. Insert the edge of this piece inside the opening slit on the side of the bag. Do the same on the other side as well. Stitch and fix both the pieces of the belt. Now let's work on the zip. Take 2 into 11 inches of fabric. Place one fabric on the zip and stitch it. Now place the other piece on the opposite side and do the same. Cut off the extra zip ends. Pin the zip sheet on the side of the bag as done. Preferably keep the inside of the bag out to ease your work. Do the stitching. Now measure the length and breadth of the bag. Take a liner fabric measuring 22 into 14 inches. Fold and stitch ½ inch on the sides. Now mark at 2 inch on both the corners. Stitch the marking. Mark at 2½ inch on all 4 corners. Stitch them as well. Turn it inside out and insert the bag in the liner. Use a glue to fix the liner at the zip. Open the zip and again turn it inside out. Let's finally work on the design. Now draw 1 inch wide horizontal margins on the bag. Use a broad hole bead. But before that, we need to prepare the needle points on the base of the ribbons by fixing a tape. Take one ribbon from each pair and insert inside the bead as done. Glue the beads. Look carefully at the base work. Gather all 4 ribbons from the side and 1 from either side. That is, total 6 ribbons are inserted in one common bead. Now pair up 2 from the opposite sides, that is 4 altogether, need to be inserted in one bead. Finally glue the beads at the base. buckle up and you're all set to go. Guys, I'm sure you'll love carrying this bag. And to satisfy your hunger for more such creativity, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know your valuable opinion through your comments. Zeb shall soon be back with another amazing idea. Till then, keep crafting. Bye-bye.